Hi everyone, you're watching JannaFX, and in this video I want to show you a little bit of results trading with EA. And for those who subscribed first once, will finally today I will send you a link to download an EA. Okay, so finally you can try and play with it. Of course, please guys, test it first on demo account. Also do back test using history. If you don't know how to do it, I will make a video on how to do the back test. And also I will make videos later. Just so much things to do. I just don't have much time for all of these videos, guys, but as I promised, I am going to give it to you so you can try it. I have tried for all these days different settings and setups, but I don't have enough time and energy to do every single pair and every single setting. So you have a chance to do it, and so you can see what works best for you. And then only after you definitely know how to use it, every setting you'll try, everything on it, you then use it on wherever real account if you want. Today I'll show you now how I use it on demo account. That's why it took me so long, because the programmer decided like get some more and more stuff in it. I only wanted to try a recovery system with it, but he decided to put something else and a little bit different settings with it, so that's why it takes a long time to try it. Okay, so I hope you can figure out everything, and of course give me feedback afterwards. So and of course today, that's why I'm making it now and giving you after finally I tried it again on the real account. You've seen me, I already tried on the real account, but it didn't have a recovery setting, but today I applied it for the new version on the real account, which I had good trades and they were closed with positive and with profits. So still don't know how it will work on a real account recovery part of it, but at least I know it works. And I'll show you how I traded news event today and my usual setup. So it was dollar, euro dollar, and pound dollar. And of course the settings I was giving you in my screenshots. So guys, just a quickie for those ones who first time, this is where I'm getting you as members on Patreon, guys. So this is the Patreon, and at this moment you can see it's a standard membership, which is only $37 a month. But remember that Patreon charges you only first, so if you will join now, you will have the whole month. And if you join, the later you join, you will have less of the month. And on the first of the month, you will get a new charge. So for those ones who join now, still have some spaces left. You see that it doesn't say about the EA that it will include it, but it will include it if you will be in this first 30 people. And afterwards the price will be another membership here with the increased price. Okay, so at this moment you can hurry up if you would like to. I'm not pushing anyone, it's just up to you. I'll show you results, you decide, guys, because it's not fully automated. It still needs a possible entry points, so that's why you can see all the posts are unlocked. But for you, for the examples of my screenshots, I unlocked few posts. If you go down, it's the previous week. So this week I'm still doing it. So, and for the previous week, you can obviously have a look. This is my screenshots, how I make some explanations, and now it's going to be quite understandable with the levels, where to place. That's my levels, and the settings which you can change, will be able to change for different setups, which I will be giving the suggestions. So you can all look through and see if it will suit you or not. So, and now I will make with more and more videos with some descriptions, how to, once again, how to apply it, how to use an EA. Just not right now, because like I'm saying, it's just I'm giving it at that moment that small video where I want to show you how it works, because a lot of you already waiting and waiting, can't wait to play with it, right, and test it to see how it works. So that's, you can go with JannaFX, patreon.com JannaFX. It's all in English. If you're from different countries, also Russians, please, it's all going to be in English for now. Okay, so we will see afterwards how it will go, but this moment I'm saying to you guys, it's only going to be in English. So here you go, you can join. And now we are going to the demo account. This is the demo I was using it. Here's the account history I'm showing you for a month. I'll show you. So that would be what you call it, fair, right? So trading it for exactly, usually you want to have the monthly. So from 6th of May till today, 6th of what is it showing today? 6th of June. Okay, so you can see I'm pressing OK, and here's the results. You can see the all trades were placed, pretty much all of them you can see placed by expert, so they were not placed by expert. I placed myself the levels, but it's triggering the orders. It's placed them 20 pips above, 20 pips below, plus minus, like I'm saying, in different situations, in different pairs it could be slightly different. You can see I had some losing trades. Right now you can see that's euro pound trade, which is still floating. That's the one on the screen you can see, but you can see all the other pairs, all the other trades. The results obviously also look using the expert. That's why I was telling you I wanted to try it, because I did a historical back test and also a usual test. You can see these are all the results of my using my screenshots and using an EA. Okay, it's not fully automatic. You see it's $51 even with all those losing trades, and right now you can see it's in the recovery mode, and I'm that close to the closing position. You see it's all placed by the expert. It's calculating what the size of recovery it needs to cover the loss plus make a bit profit, which I'll explain a bit better in the other video. You see, like previously I could have closed it manually. That's what I'm saying, guys. I will not rely fully on automated systems, automated yes, that's why they don't work 100%. First they make you money, then they start losing. You need to control it. That's why, for example, here when it came so close, I could have just closed it with profit and a little loss. Right now we can see that euro is getting stronger, so what I can do is just leave it running, or I can actually move the stop a little bit closer, or I can just close it now. Even now, okay, it didn't recover fully because it's been so slow, but even if I'll close now, 51 I made already, right? So it would be at least $80 in profit. Okay, so but I can just probably maybe move it behind it, or just leave it. But okay, of course there is a risk that it can turn around back, take me again close with loss, and try to recover it again. So you see, that's how you do it. So that's just the results I'm showing you on the demo account. Okay, so that's been a month of trading, of trying it. You can see it's all different pairs I use. Australian dollar, once I'm giving the screenshots for, and it's dollar yen, euro dollar, pound dollar. You see I was trying on pretty much all of them. Dollar Canadian, pound yen, and also I had some gold trades. I'll just go backwards into the whole history. It's not been very long. Since October. You can see there's gold also. The gold has a little bit different settings there. It needs adding extra 0 to the usual setup. So you see in total it's been not bad result, as you can see, all profitable. So now I'm going to show you today's trade, and I recorded it. You can see I had a pound dollar, which I also, just as I showed you yesterday, I gave my members a screenshot of that channel pound, and I said placing pending orders buy and pending orders sell and pending orders buy from these levels if it stays inside of this channel. You can see that the first was going down, which was expected more like going down, because it does look like head and shoulders upside down on the bigger screenshots, but you can see it's always, you never 100% know if it goes your direction. You see it went first it was going down. We were expecting possible continue down, but you see today it's also went up. So this is the trade I took. That's what I'm saying. We are thinking it will go one direction, but using the system from time to time, I'm giving the different ideas for setting up. In this one I was given buy and sell pending orders 20 pips above. So you can see this is the one of my orders which worked. That's the result. Half positions 10 pips. Then as a stop loss was removed into safe positions, which I did manually, guys. I did this little bit of manually. Otherwise it would have been just 0 in here. Okay, so the setup on the EA is 0, but like I'm saying, it's better to watch it. So I could watch the screen. I moved a little bit, so when it went up, turned around, I could close with small profit, which I'll show you in a minute. And the same, I was trading euro dollars on the news event here on just that part. Okay, so here I had another channel, which I said if it will stay in a channel, we will use it. You see the market moved away, those the members who watched it would understand. I will give you screenshots in the evening again and explain to you what happened and here how we avoided it. But using the another system I'm using for trading the events and news events, and you see this is another trade closed with profit and again half positions, and when the market returned you can see I again moved it a little bit, but actually then it's moved stop automatically itself and I come out with another 10 pips profit. So like a plus minus, you see on the news events it's plus minus, you can get a little bit more less. It will never going to be 100% exact, and it can't be 100% guaranteed anything, guys. So but that's the result obviously of some trading on this real account, and you can see right now I have nothing floating. Okay, so that's, I checked it and it's worked, but still not with recovery setting. It's been profitable today, and I'm going to show you in real life how it was happening. Now if you look on the screen, what I'm doing here is I'm already in a trade because I placed the orders and I walked away. You can see the yellow level. It means it worked, and I'm in a profitable trade for pound dollar, which I just showed you previously. So I'm in it, and I'm just trying to. I moved a little bit that stop just as I showed to you, right? So if it will turn around, it will take me. Closing it with some profits. You can see that's what happened. That's the trades I just showed to you. You turned around and closed it. So now I'm going to show you, this is the news event we were waiting. I told you for the most important was the commentary of Draghi on ECB event, which you can see I didn't trade on the first news because we already knew about the interest rate, and the most important was for me the commentary. So you can see I'm having this. I had a video on my channel how I trade the news event. You can see it's a 1 minute chart, and just like 5 minutes before the news event possible, I'm placing my orders and I'm changing the stop loss. The stop loss we will be changing depends on the width of the channel, guys. So that's I'm showing you here. Already have recovery setups too, just in case, which I will be like making a video about it. I'm not going to do it right now just to save some time. So you can see I have my setups, and all I had to do is just sit and wait for a few minutes. You see, just before 4 minutes I did it. Okay, so you can see now we have exactly the news event and nothing is happening, and it's not always happens immediately like it used to be in the old days. Now it's all a bit slower and not a strong movements, but now you can see I'm just a little bit speeding up, and euro dollar just triggered the order. You can see all automatically. I'm not touching anything here, and now you can see it's half position closed. You see here now at the bottom, right? Half positions closed, and now I'm going to try to move a little bit my stop once again. As with the EA, it's going to be break even, which means if it will go back, it will walk away. I will walk away with 0 and plus 10 pips of half position. So I decided I move a little bit, at least a little bit I will make. And so you see now the market moved more, and the expert moved the stop itself. You can see I had a setup of 10 pips behind the price, okay? And you see it's moved, and then obviously you can see it's closed with the that profit, so when it's turned around. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how EA works. I'm giving you those examples so you can see it, and more videos are coming on its work. So if you really want to get it, subscribe, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye everyone.